Here are 10 all-new Amazon Genius products that you're going to want to know about. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below, and I'll also pin it in the comments section. Go ahead and scan the QR code on screen now if you're watching from your TV and your iPad. And of course, nothing in this video is sponsored. Let's do it. Introducing Happy Nuts Odor Neutralizer, your go-to solution for keeping your private parts feeling fresh, clean, and comfortable. This nut spray for men ensures that you stay cool and confident all day long. My husband absolutely loves this stuff. It offers cooling and toning benefits, keeping your man parts smelling fresh and feeling cool. Great gift idea too. This versatile spray is perfect after trimming, shaving, or as part of your daily routine. Plus, with its travel-friendly size, Happy Nuts Odor Neutralizer is perfect for freshening up on the go. Stay fresh no matter where you are. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to all-day freshness with Happy Nuts talc-free and plant-based body powder. Designed for men, it offers unbeatable protection against sweat, chafing, and odor. Infused with soothing aloe and nourishing coconut oil, the powder not only prevents irritation but also provides healing effects for chafing and itching. Stay fresh, stay comfortable, and take on your day with confidence. Introducing Happy Nuts Big Wood Body Wash, a perfect blend of nature's best designed to elevate your shower experience. It's crafted with natural ingredients like aloe vera and coconut water, and it gently cleanses your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. The sandalwood fragrance offers a long-lasting, refreshing scent that energizes your senses all day. Happy Nuts Big Wood ensures your skin stays conditioned and hydrated. And with gift-ready packaging, it makes the perfect gift for any occasion. Naturally cleanse, refresh, and energize with Happy Nuts Big Wood Body Wash. And right now on Amazon, the Happy Nuts Body Wash has a $5 off coupon. So if you're interested, I would definitely snag it. If you do not have these premium travel wipes with you, I highly recommend them. I've been using them for many months now, and I'm obsessed. It's perfect for maintaining your hygiene on the go. Each wipe is individually wrapped and sealed, ensuring a fresh, pre-moistened wipe. Whether you're traveling, at work, or enjoying outdoor activities, these wipes provide the ultimate convenience and cleanliness in any situation. Larger, thicker, and softer than most others on the market, they offer a luxurious feel that you'll love. These wipes are hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, making them suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Additionally, they're infused with aloe to keep your hands and tush hydrated and smooth, which offers a soothing and moisturizing effect that toilet paper simply can't provide. Tested and trusted, these wipes adhere to nationally recognized INDA guidelines, ensuring they are flushable and septic safe. Make the smart choice for your hygiene needs and experience the unmatched quality and convenience of these travel wipes today. Currently on Amazon, for a 30-pack of the Wipe That Tush on the Go, it's just about $9. Steal of a deal in my opinion. And might I say, they are mighty good. Here is your perfect kitchen companion, the unique round-shaped dish wand. This dish wand tackles a variety of surfaces, reaching even the hardest to clean dirt and grime. You know I love that. It's even gentle on your finest dishes, glassware, stemware, and even hand wash only china. This dish wand is an essential tool for items that are not dishwasher safe. It's also perfect as a baby bottle brush cleaner. Pair it with your favorite dishwashing detergent and effortlessly clean plates, bowls, baby bottles, and so much more. The wand does all the scrubbing, keeping your hands safe from hot water and messy soap. This is a great budget-friendly present for newlyweds to help them take care of their new china and glassware. Make cleaning a breeze with the unique round-shaped dish wand your go-to tool for sparkling kitchenware and happy hands. Here is a #1 new release item when it comes to shoe cleaners. Heck to the yes. Whether you're looking for a general shoe cleaner or a specialized cleaner for white sneakers, these heavy-duty wipes are designed to bring the life back to your shoes. Experience the dual-action cleaning power with the textured side, perfect for tackling stubborn dirt on tennis shoes, and a smooth side that gently cares for delicate materials. Quick to use and quick to dry, these wipes keep your shoes pristine and ready for any occasion. They come individually packaged, which makes them a must-have accessory for any shoe enthusiast. You know I love me some clean shoes. Perfect for on the go, easily fitting into your luggage, gym bag, or purse. It's effective on a variety of materials. These versatile wipes are especially excellent for keeping white sneakers looking their best. Choose these wipes for all your shoe cleaning needs and keep your shoes looking their best. Currently on Amazon, these gold standard Quick Shoe Cleaning Wipes are just about $13 to $14 for 30 individually packed wipes. Not bad for a #1 new release item. Say goodbye to the hassle of tying shoelaces with no-tie shoelaces. They offer effortless convenience with a single installation, so you can ditch the frustration of constantly retying your laces. I love when you can quickly take your shoes on and off. Turn your favorite sneakers into slip-ons in a snap. These stretchable laces conform to your foot, providing the perfect compression, support, and a flexible fit that enhances comfort all throughout the day. Installation is a breeze. Just push, pull, and repeat. And they're perfect for all ages, from adults, teens, and children. These are your go-to solution for a stylish, easy-on, easy-off experience. Elevate your shoe game with these no-tie shoelaces today. Have you ever tried one of these silicone baking mats? They are absolutely genius. This set includes 3 food-grade silicone mats, 2 half-sheet sizes, and 1 quarter-sheet size. It's perfect for baking cookies, bread, and pastries. These mats ensure your baking is safe and hassle-free. They're designed with double thickness, so they're nearly twice as thick as other mats currently on the market. These mats are safe for use in ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. Enjoy nonstick baking even with greasy or sticky dough. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse in warm soapy water or pop them in the dishwasher. And when you're done, simply fold or roll them and store them away. Baking and cooking is made so much easier with these. And these baking mats, right now on Amazon, they're currently 50% off, just about $9. Steal of a deal. Have you ever used a satin pillowcase before? If not, you need to try these. Experience the silky soft touch of these pillowcases designed for happy skin and healthy hair. These pillowcases offer excellent smoothness and breathability, making them perfect for sensitive skin. The gentle satin fabric helps fight irritation, reduces blemishes, and minimizes skin creases, ensuring a fresh and youthful experience. They also help reduce tugging and tangling while you sleep, so say goodbye to split ends and frizz and wake up to smooth, manageable hair every day. And not to mention, they look so chic in a bedroom. Perfect as a gift, this pillowcase set adds a touch of luxury to any room with its silky hand feel and elegant natural hues. Experience the luxury of these bed-sure satin pillowcases today. There's currently a limited time deal on Amazon with these satin pillowcases, just about $6 for a set of 2 queen size. You are gonna love this massage oil. It's formulated to help minimize the appearance of cellulite while relieving sore muscles. Infused with collagen and stem cells, this body oil is perfect for both men and women, offering a soothing touch to your post-workout routine while targeting cellulite. The rich antioxidants and fatty acids in the natural essential oils are quickly absorbed, providing firming, moisturizing, and regenerating benefits. And it's suitable for all skin types. It's designed to tighten and nourish your skin. Proudly made in the USA, M3 Naturals delivers the highest quality natural ingredients, ensuring cruelty-free beauty products for everyone. Elevate your skincare routine with this AntiCellulite Massage Oil. This AntiCellulite Massage Oil is a #1 bestseller. You can get a pack of 2 right now for 10% off. You know, I love me a good pajama set. You are going to love these. They're super soft and cozy, ultra smooth against the skin, and they do ensure a restful night's sleep. I just love getting into these at the end of the day. I love the button-down sleep shirt, and the PJ shorts with elastic drawstring are wonderful. This silky smooth pajama set is perfect for drifting off to dreamland and enjoying cozy time at home. It's a great gift for girlfriends, mom, family, or even friends. Experience superior comfort and style with this pajama set. I love it right now on Amazon for this really cute pajama set. It's a limited time deal for just about $24, and there's an additional 15% off coupon. This has to be one of my favorite jogger sets right now. It is so cozy and stylish. Now, I do recommend that you size up one option according to the reviews. I did order a size small, and I do think it fits me perfectly. The jogger pants come with side pockets, adding a touch of sophistication. It's available in stylish colors such as black, brick red, wine red, blue, gray, and dark green. There's basically a shade for every mood and occasion. The crop sweatshirt pairs perfectly with the long sweatpants for a fashion-forward fall outfit. And I even wear this in the summer when it's cooler. It's a comfortable fit for all body types, making this jogger set a must-have in your wardrobe. Versatile and chic. Get yours today and step into comfort and fashion. Currently on Amazon for this two-piece set, it is 5% off plus 25% off coupon. There's also some additional promo codes for 20% and 10%, so make sure you click that redeem button too. Now, I do have 2 additional bonus items for you, but before we get to those, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories where I share almost daily limited time deals and bestsellers. And be sure to sign up for the free newsletter linked in that description box below and pinned in the comments section. Let's get to those bonus items. Here's a must-have in my wardrobe for all seasons. It's this crop zip-up hoodie. It's the perfect blend of style and comfort. Featuring a front 2-way zipper, drawstring hood, and 2 pockets, it's designed for versatility and ease. Whether you're pairing it with jeans, leggings, skirts, shorts, or joggers, this hoodie adds a chic touch to your look. And it's perfect for layering over t-shirts, shirts, tank tops, or sports bras. I like to wear this to workouts, wear it to parties, running my kids for different errands, working in my office, hanging outside, basically everywhere. This is my go-to hoodie. Stay cozy and stylish with this gorgeous zip-up hoodie. Right now on Amazon, there's a limited time deal for this crop zip-up hoodie. 38% off, so just about $25. You are gonna love these sneakers. They are crafted from vegan leather and suede, and they are nice and breathable, ensuring lightweight comfort all throughout the day. The anti-slip sole keeps you moving confidently no matter the terrain. With a unique blend of retro and modern design, these stylish sneakers boast eye-catching colors available in white, black, brown, leopard, and dot elements. Whether you're hitting the gym, on the job, or out for a night, these multifunctional chic shoes have got you covered. Whether you're dressing up or keeping it laid back, these sneakers elevate your style effortlessly. And you won't even believe this, right now on Amazon, these sneakers are 20% off plus 5% coupon. So $36, and I just love all the different color options. Let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.